So over here, you can see that I have an image opened up right here. And in the expert mode on the left side, if I were to go around and grab the eraser and then erase this, then what happens is that the portions of the image are erased right here, just like this. You can go around, work around with the size and erase this, work around with the opacity of the eraser and erase those as well. But once you do this, what actually happens is that it actually destroys the original image right here. So you cannot just go around and bring out certain parts of the images back. So let me just go around and press Ctrl Z to go back a few steps right here until I get the whole image. So in this case, what you can do is you can add in masking to the picture. So over here, you can see that I can select out a layer right here. And then over here on the top, here you can see that I can go around and enable out masking just like this. So once you go around over here, what I can do is I can either select the picture right here or the mask right here. So if I were to go around and select the picture, then I can make changes to the picture. For example, I can go around onto the brush and then draw around onto the picture. But let me just press Ctrl Z right here and go around on the mask right here. In this case, I can just draw around and you can see that the color turned black right here. And as I drew, everything gets erased right here. But I can go around onto the color section and select out bright color like white. And now when I'm in the masking mode and draw back, you can see that I can get back the contents right here. That is because black portion means transparency while white means opacity, opaque right here. So I can go around somewhere around the middle. So usually when it is black, it's actually okay. So if you were to select out, let's say a shade, something like this. So let me just go around over here, shade somewhere in between and press OK. You get gray color right here. And that means semi-transparency right here. So I can go around and select, let's say, for example, black right here, press OK and just draw around over here as you can see. You can go around over here and go to a bright object right here, press OK. And there you go. You can see that according to that, the opacity level changes out. You can go around over here, select this out right here, draw around, and you can see that this is what you have. So that is how you can work around with masking option inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.